Hi everyone, Valentine's week is here and today I am going to show you how to create this beautiful look, so let's start. Before applying any makeup products, make sure to prep your skin with moisturizer. I am here taking a pea-sized amount of foundation and applying it to all over my face, then blending it out with the help of a makeup sponge. To achieve that flawless glowy base, I am here using a setting spray. I am applying a peachy blush and blending it upwards. Now it's time to add highlighter to the high points of my face. For today's look, I am using Velora Paris lip and cheek tint for both my eyes and lips. So first applying this lip and cheek tint to my eyes, then adding some glitter to it. Applying some mascara to finish up this eye makeup look. And finally, to complete the look, I am applying some lipstick. I hope you guys have fun watching this, and if you enjoy this video then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in next video.